A subtotal will do a certain formula based on the information you see. So if there are hidden cells or filtered cells, you can only get the total, for example, for that specific cells. So there's a few options you can use. So let's go do one here. So I'm going to insert a row on top. I'm going to do a subtotal. So the first one's 1 up until 11. That's the formulas you can use. These ones will only work with autofilters. So if you filter information out with an autofilter, then you only do the specific formula on that information you see. The ones at the bottom here will also work on hidden information. So I'm going to use a sum. So the way you use it, you start with the number and we're just selecting the specific range. So that's the current sum of what I'm selecting. So if I hide a column there, it will not influence the total. But if I use the bottom one, so I go subtotal, the bottom number is 109. So again, I'm selecting everything here. So now can you see the total differs? So if I hide something more, it will change the total for me. So now if we insert a filter, and I, for example, filter on quarter 2, then you'll see both of them changes. So again, if I hide something in the middle here, then both will change because I'm now using a filter. If we did not use a filter, we needed to use the 109, so the one at the bottom. So there's a few options you could use here. We could count as well. Can you see there, we're using count. So we could start with 2. We could have then selected all of this, and then it will count the number of numbers we are using. So in this instance, we're not using any numbers. So we should have done it there. And there we are using 142 numbers. So if I change that, then all formulas will change. So to recap, a subtotal, there's two options. Either you work from the information that's in front of you and you don't input the autofilter where you can use the bottom ones, or if you want to use an autofilter, use the top ones.